Whoa, 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 whoa. Becky, what are you doing pouring salt down that drain? Is that what you're doing?
I read online that the salt will clear the drain and also eliminate the smell.
No! Hey guys, it's Dino with One Tom Plumber. I'm back. As you can see, we did have that ice storm I said my last video was coming. A lot of places around the country did. And I wanted to show you something based on that little intro we had for you regarding salt going down a drain. I want you to see something in my yard. Why don't you come down here, take a close look at my brick patio that leads into the front door. As you can see, a lot of bricks have come off. You have a lot of concrete layer trying to piece the bricks together, but they're all falling apart. You know the reason for that? Salt. Very abrasive, and it can do a lot of damage if you use it too much. So the whole point of this video is, regardless of all these internet claims that have been out on the online, using salt is not a good idea for your drain. Actually, we don't recommend using salt in most remedies. There are natural remedies that you can use, and I'll tell you a little bit about that next. All right, the reason that salt, I think, has come about is this trend online for using on your drain is because people regard salt as a bit abrasive, right? It's kind of granular, it's got sharp edges. That's all true, and it does work on the roads for removing ice and things like that. So you kind of start getting the sense that, oh, maybe it can be used down the drain to remove grease and all that kind of stuff. But it's really not the best solution for doing it. I wouldn't use salt at all, actually. If you use too much of it, it's going to be corrosive. I'm holding in my hands two much better solutions. I'm not going to belabor this point because we have two great videos on both solutions, and they're in the article that I'm going to give you a link to below. But instead of using salt, please try baking soda and vinegar. In that video and some articles online, we give you the instructions on how to do that. Sodium bicarbonate, which is baking soda, is really good at cutting grease. You know what another really good cutting grease material is? It's Dawn detergent. This stuff is fantastic. In fact, if you've ever heard of the Exxon Valdez giant oil spill, Dawn was used by the tens of millions of gallons to help clean up the situation. So we have a video on each of those solutions. Why don't you go try those instead? Because salt really isn't what you want to put down your drain, despite everything that's going on and around the internet. Hey, this is Dino with One Tom Plumber. I know it was a quick video, but I hope it's helpful right now, especially as people have salt on the road and you're seeing it and you're maybe thinking, put it in my drain. Please don't do it. Thanks. Have a great day.